Healing is an interesting journey because when you're really low and lost and disconnected, it feels like nothing can help you and nothing will change. And I can tell you that this healing is real and it feels different. I first came to Arkana a year ago, and I definitely wouldn't be seated here today if I hadn't come to Arkana. It absolutely has saved my life and has continued to change my life for the better. The staff, the shamans, the facilitators, they are so genuine and full of love, and they care about every single guest like they're the most important person here. And I can't tell you how amazing that feels to connect with people who don't know you. For the time that you're here, you are 100% in their care and under their attention, and you just receive so much love here. I can assure you that if you have any doubt in your heart, lay it to rest. Please show up here to do the work for yourself and for the world, and you will find yourself enjoying every moment, every breath, and being grateful to be here and to be healing.